Oh my goodness. This could take a while. Bubbles, yeah.
You're right.
Oh, this could take a while. First present is on top. Right there. What are those? What do you do with those?
She could actually do it.
How many feet there are there, huh?
Oh man. Just like I hate my life right now.
You want to get some coffee?
She's like,
Come back in an hour?
I need to go back on the ship.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
have Mommy
awkward.
hold it.
Okay.
Now what's in the paper?
Look at Santa Claus.
Look at the green
Oh, the
paper.
presents. You want to open a
Go ahead.
present?
Good
Oh,
job.
wow.
Take one out.
Oh, what's in there? What? Oh my goodness. Coloring. Take a picture of her with all these bubbles and popping things. Pop the bubbles.
Pop the bubbles.
You're doing it. You're doing it. You can pop the bubbles if you want to. It's your Christmas.
Yeah.
They're hard to pop.
Because you're so
Your little
small.
fingers are better than mine.
You're so small.
You know what this is? This is coloring